G'day viewers. A couple of days ago I spoke to you about an article I wrote in the Electrical Connection magazine about dummy switches, about having spare switches on site to be able to practice on to learn how to use. This type of gear is installed on site and there's very rarely is there any spare equipment, and especially any equipment that's not connected. And as you can imagine, you don't play with this stuff, you don't mess around with it, and you don't practice it. And so the only chance they get when it comes to learning how to switch this equipment is when they're doing live switching. As you can imagine, that's not ideal. So if you have any old equipment, keep it on site. If you've got any spare equipment, keep it there. Make it available in the workshop for the guys to use. If you can find some that someone else has got, please buy it. You guys, if you've got some gear on site, if it really must be removed, sell it to another company that has the same gear so they can use, or donate it to a training company. Why not sell it to a training company? It's expensive as it is to be able to do training. So they don't have any money to be able to buy equipment such as this. But any bit of gear that you've got on site, please keep some spares so people can play with and learn how to use it. This is a particular bit of gear that what you do is you open the circuit breaker, you then open the isolator, which at the same time closes the earth. Then what you've got to do is go back and close the circuit breaker again, and a lot of people feel very uncomfortable about that. So for that reason alone, you need to have equipment on site that people can switch. Okay, hope it helps. See you tomorrow.